Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to change colors on your Lovable website, text colors, background colors, buttons, links on or your entire brand palette, you are in the right place. In Lovable Websites Editor 2026, color customization is powerful but split across global, styles, section settings, and elements controls, which can confuse many users. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to change colors in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common color problems users face, like color changes don't apply everywhere, button color won't change, text color resets automatically, mobile colors look different, background color won't update, or theme colors override costume colors. So first thing first, log in to your Lovable account. Okay, select your website, click edit website or open editor. Okay, so let's suppose that this is a website that you want to edit. So make sure you are inside the visual editor, not preview mode. Okay, so then this is the most important step if you want consistent color site wide. Go to site settings, theme, styles, and then global colors. Here you can change primary colors like buttons, highlights, secondary color, text color, background color, and accent colors. Okay, so these colors automatically apply across most sections. Okay, so to change the color of a specific section, click the section or container. Okay, open section settings, go to background, choose color, and pick a new color or entire hex code. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.